So highlight, low light of the day.
So the low light was one swimmer had and then one rapid.
Ow! Yeah, you
got severely fucked up.
nice. I'm Gavin Shooter, and myself and my friend Chris Matthews, we're going to do an unsupported trip down the Kai River this weekend, 80 k's from the N2 all the way to the ocean, preparing for an unsupported Doozy Canoe Marathon. We're coming to the river now. We're going to show you, we're expecting a lot of water, so we're gonna check it out right now. Still a year into paddling. We're going to go down some class 4 things today.
I'm excited.
Terrifying territories I can't take it. It's a great big atmosphere.
Fuck yes!
I'm feeling dumb. When you get what you want, maybe I should start over. There's nothing left to want. Open at them again. You don't know what you want. Yeah, I'm thinking it over. Just tell me what you want. Floating little shaking hands, laugh like jokers. Keeping me from thinking straight of lost composure. When you got what you want, maybe I should start over.
So we just finished first day of the Kai, 37.5 k's. It was spectacular, super remote. I think we saw 3 people the whole day. Very technically demanding rapids. Yeah, it was such a great day out with Chris and Aiden. The guys did really well. Awesome 2 days. One of the most remote valleys I've ever paddled through. Really beautiful experience. I'm keen to get on the river again soon.
Yeah, I think everything else has been said. We're a bit done. We did the last 12 k's into the current and wind, so it's been good.